Guys, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop. Today I'm going to show you something my husband just made me, which I've been wanting for a long time, but they're pretty expensive if you buy them brand new, but he figured out a way to do it that is super cheap. I believe he probably only spent $10–15 on this, but it's an overhead camera setup or platform, however you want to say it. And so let me show you what we've got. And I'm sorry I'm using my iPhone, but I wanted to show you this with my camera on it. So, but before I set it all up, I wanted to show you what it looks like beforehand. So here's what my camera is. A little cheap camera with a little tripod that's with the bendable legs. So you'll need bendable legs, or if you can find something else that would be better suitable. But for me, that's what I'm going to be using. I already have that. And then we've just got some wood pieces. These are 1.5 inches width this way. And then, let me see, hold on. So from the bottom all the way to the top of this is 31.5 inches. He added a third piece right there, and you'll see why here in a minute. He just used one screw for each one, and he made 3 different heights for me for my specifications that I wanted. So really simple. These are just simple boards. As you can see, it's not that big. Let me see how big those are. That is 12 inches that way, and 3 3.25 inches the other way. Not very big, just enough to do the job. And then he's just gotten another this size, 1.5 inches here, and just gave me a big pole to put it on. So I mean, this is super long to fit my long table that I put my crafts on. And then he also, with the rest of the scrap, we have this one that if I didn't want that big thing, I could just use a smaller piece of wood. So I'm gonna set it up for you, and you can see what you think. And then I am going to paint this baby up, but I wanted to show you before in the raw, before I painted it, so you could see exactly what it looked like. He sanded it and all that sort of thing, so all I have to do is paint it. So let me set it up for you and see what I've got. Okay, so I've set it up. So you can do the 3 levels, however, you know, you have to pick your size, what you think would be good for you if you need it. Very simple setup. And then all I did with my camera here is I took the legs and wrapped them around. Come back this way so you can see. So just take the legs, wrap it around, and it's on there really good. I don't have an issue with that. My only issue is my camera. I'm gonna have to get a camera with a flip-up screen so I can see what I'm doing better, but for right now this is gonna have to do. But as you can see, there's the platform there going up, and it's adjustable up or down. Of course, with your camera, you really don't need that because you can go in or out with the lens, but I just really wanted to have the 3 adjustable levels. You never know, I might figure something else to do on it. So let me back up so you can see. Okay, so super simple. If anybody is needing a really cheap way to do an overhead camera setup, this is the one that my husband and I figured out, mainly my husband, and I think he did an awesome job. So anybody could make I could have done this, but I didn't have the brain power to think about it. So anyways, all right. Oh, and just to let you know, I redid my table. I put a different what's that paper called? Contact paper. And so that's freshened it up a little bit, cleaned it up a little bit. And I've got this thing here, which is new. I filled that up with all of my paper and journal papers and things like that. And then someone gave me that little shelf there, so that's more paper and other supplies. And so I've got that all set up. So far I'm liking it. I just got it set up, so hopefully some newer videos that I have out will have a better look at what I'm doing, and it won't be at a weird angle like I've been doing. So I'm still cleaning up the room, and hopefully I'll have a better video out for you soon. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any questions, maybe I didn't explain something good, just let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you have a comment, please comment below and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.